Oh, I got the face cam. I told you guys I would hook you up with it. And today we're doing a pack opening. We have the VC. We have 413,000 VC to spend. And we need to pull Galaxy Opal Kevin Garnett. Galaxy Opal Kevin Garnett. And if we pull Galaxy Opal Kevin Garnett, we get Galaxy Opal. Shaq. Right there. Shaquille O'Neal, who has an 88 3-point. Yeah, that's how 2K is now.
That's pretty interesting.
Okay, now let's get right into the pack opening. Let's go with the 10 box. Let's go. Nothing, so that's not good. I know it's early in the pack opening, and Joel Embiid. I actually came out with a Galaxy Opal Joel Embiid today, so that's a rewards card.
Boring.
Come on, baby. Let me see that Galaxy Opal Kevin Garnett. Galaxy Opal Kevin Garnett. Or there's also an Amethyst. I think it's just a base player, so it won't matter that much. LeBron James. What can I say? I'm a bad guy. Last pack is gonna be a diamond. Let's go. Come on. Diamond. Let's go. But we don't want diamonds. We don't want Rajon Rondo. Are you kidding me? You ever think I'm actually gonna use this dude? Come on. Under the 20 bucks. Stop.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay. Come on. Oh my God, give me something good. Oh my. I hate these silvers, bro. I think they're a Galaxy Opal. Oh my God. That's what they're on. When I open up the pack, I can see it all. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, please! Let's freaking go! Here we go. Let's see who it is. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's Dirk. It's Dirk. I think he doesn't go for that much. But still. Galaxy Opal Dirk. Ah, that's a good pull. That is a good pull. Okay. Can I get 2 Galaxy Opals? Dos equals 2. Let's go. Nah. Sam Kessel though. No one really cares about you. I'm sorry.
I'm calling it pack 18.
18. Calling it. You're seeing this right now? My pack luck is amazing. Like the pack luck. Like their pack luck. We get another Sam Castle. Guess So, do I think pack 18 though? You're kidding. I've gotten 1 Galaxy Opal and 3 pink diamonds. Let's go! Except I don't care about pink diamonds. There's 2 pink diamonds in these boxes and I keep getting him. Get off my screen. Don't. You're kidding. I said pack 18 though. Let's go! Please be Kevin Garnett. Please be Kevin Garnett. Please be Kevin Garnett.
Let's go!
What? Let's go! Shaq and Kevin Garnett, welcome to the squad! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Gosh! Kevin Garnett, bro. Dude, it has to be the YouTuber. Hey, go back. What did I say before? Pack 18 is gonna be a good pack. What is this? What is this? Is that a pink Galaxy Opal pink diamond? Come on.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bro, it's the There's a... Alright, after this box, I'm gonna show you there is another pink diamond. I'm telling you, there is another pink diamond. I'm telling you guys, you just gotta like the video down below. It's good padlock, trust me. Well, we get Dwight Howard. Are you kidding me? Is that how many? I told you there was another one. Dude, 5? No, hold on, just give me a second. I need it. Jack, 88. 88 3-pointer. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. That's 3 pink diamonds. Plus 4 because I pulled him. Again, Sam Castle. And then I pulled the other dude. That's 5 pink diamonds and 2 Galaxy Opals. 5 pink diamonds and 2 Galaxy Opals. Let's see who we can pull here. No way! Another Galaxy Opal. Bro. My pack. Shaq. We got Shaq on the team now. Big guy. Yeah. I have to go another 20 box. Like, my pack look is amazing. For our other Galaxy Opals are Irving and who else? Dude, I can't remember. Dude, it's someone. I don't know. There's 4 of them. It was Galaxy Opal Tracy McGrady. If we get Galaxy Opal Tracy McGrady, game over. Game over. Game over. Dude, I don't want you. Alright, what pack should we call it? There's no way I get...
19. I'm calling it 19 is gonna be a pink diamond or higher.
Pink diamond or higher, 19. Call it. Oh my... Dude, this pack... This box has been crap. Nothing in this box except that pink diamond, but pink diamonds. It's coming up though. It is coming up. Pack 19. And here we go, pack 19. But here we go. Wait, what? I wasn't even picking Nets. Small forward. Irving! Julius Irving! Let's go! Another freaking go! Let's go! I honestly didn't even know. I swear. I was just like going over and what? What? Pack luck, amazing. And guys, the new squad is in. Take a look at that. We almost have 13 Galaxy Opals. That is crazy. We have 12 Galaxy Opals. We could have had 13 today if we pulled Tracy McGrady, but we couldn't. But let's look at Shaq. Come on. Open shot 3. 88. That's crazy. And we pulled Julius Irving today. His stats aren't bad. 95. Open shot 3. Not bad, not bad. And to complete the series, we pulled... Oops, I don't know what I just did. Oh. We pulled Kevin Garnett. His open shot's 95, but shoes and stuff, coach, 99. But that is the pack opening for today. If you liked the video, and if you want good pack luck, leave a like below. And that's it. We ball out. Peace.